how to turn off WhatsApp voice chat. So if you want to turn off your WhatsApp voice chat, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, you need to go with the group, and then you need to go with the top, which has your group name. Now scroll down a bit and then go with group permissions. Now under group permissions, you need to click on it. Now if the send message option is enabled, disable it so that only admins can send messages. Go and disable all of these other options. And now if you go back and then check, then voice chat should be disabled and no one else should be able to access it. Another way, if you are not the group admin and are fed up with the voice chat, then you just need simply tap and hold on to your group and you'll see an option of notifications. You can go with the notifications, which will be on the top, and tap on it, or go with the three dots, which will be on the top right, and then mute. And just go and select 8 hours or 1 week or always. Go and tap on OK. And in this way, you'll be able to turn off. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.